today's fast-paced digital world, technology is changing at an exponential rate, making the demand for cybersecurity professionals greater than ever. With cyber threats evolving rapidly, organizations all over the world are seeking experts who can outpace attackers and safeguard critical infrastructures. CEH version 13 is your gateway to mastering the latest in ethical hacking, ensuring you stay ahead in this high-stakes environment. CEH v13 transcends the basics of ethical hacking. Whether it's defending against AI-driven cyber attacks, identifying quantum computing vulnerabilities, or countering sophisticated ransomware attacks, CEH version 13 covers it. You'll learn how to defend against these emerging dangers by taking a deep dive into the 5 critical phases of ethical hacking, including reconnaissance, scanning, enumeration, vulnerability assessment, and system hacking. And system hacking includes gaining access, maintaining access, and covering your tracks. But then we'll move into many other specific topics like evading firewalls, hacking web apps, and cryptography. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing cybersecurity. While threat actors can use AI to launch rapid, complex attacks, CEH version 13 equips you to turn the tide. Learn how to leverage AI for enhanced threat detection, automated response, and robust defense mechanisms. In fact, imagine slashing detection times from days to mere seconds. That's the transformative potential of CEH version 13. Increase your efficiency in cyber defense by 40%. Automate ethical hacking tasks, doubling your productivity. Master techniques to hack and defend against AI-driven attacks. Implement a zero-trust architecture and defend critical infrastructures. Stay ahead of the curve by mastering the latest OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities in AI systems, including prompt injection, model theft, and supply chain vulnerabilities. CEH version 13 provides the knowledge and tools to secure AI models, ensuring the resilience and security of your organization. Take your cybersecurity career to the next level. Sign up today for CEH version 13 and be the first line of defense against the cyber threats of tomorrow.